Covered calls. How to make income from stocks you already own. What if I told you that you could make hundreds of dollars every single month just from sitting on stocks you already own? Not selling them. Not day trading. Just letting them sit there while you collect checks. That's covered calls. And it's literally one of the easiest ways to turn your boring portfolio into a cash machine. I'm talking real money here. A friend of mine has been selling covered calls on his 500 shares of Apple for the last 8 months. He's made over $2,000 in pure income. His Apple stock hasn't moved much. But he doesn't care because he's getting paid while he waits. Here's what's wild. Most people with money in the market have absolutely no idea this strategy exists. They're just holding their positions, hoping the stock goes up, and missing out on income that's just sitting there unclaimed. By the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly how covered calls work, why they're perfect for beginners, and how to start generating income from your portfolio today. Let's break this down. Part 1. What the heck is a covered call? A covered call is basically a side hustle for your stocks. Here's the deal in plain English. You own 100 shares of Microsoft, right? You paid maybe $15,000. Now, instead of just crossing your fingers and hoping it goes up, you can sell someone else the right to buy those shares from you at a specific price on a specific date. In exchange, they pay you money right now. Today, not later. That payment? You keep it no matter what happens. That's your income. Let me give you a real example because this is the part that clicks everything into place. Say Microsoft is trading at $380 right now. You own 100 shares. You could sell a call option that says someone can buy your Microsoft shares at $400 sometime in the next 30 to 45 days. For giving them that right, they pay you maybe $300 to $500. Today, right now. Here's what happens next. If Microsoft stays below $400, you keep your shares. You keep the money they paid you. And you can sell another covered call next month. Rinse and repeat. 12 months of this? You could be looking at $3,000 to $5,000 in extra income from a single position. If Microsoft goes above $400, they exercise the option. They buy your shares at $400. You make money on the stock appreciation plus the option premium you already collected. And you're out of the position. You still win. You just exit earlier than expected with more profit. That's the magic. You either keep your stock and the income, or your stock gets called away and you made even more money. There's no losing scenario here if you do it right. Part 2. Why this actually works. This isn't some sketchy loophole. This is how professional investors and institutions make money. Fidelity processes millions of covered calls every single week. Robinhood has made it stupid simple for retail investors. The big players have been running this strategy for decades. You're not doing anything crazy. You're literally just selling insurance on your own holdings. Here's why it works mathematically. On average, if you're selling 30 to 45-day covered calls on solid stocks in your portfolio, you can expect to make 2 to 4% per month in option premiums. That's 24 to 48% annualized. Compare that to a dividend that might pay you 2% a year. This is on a completely different level. The trick is only doing this on stocks you genuinely want to own anyway. Don't sell covered calls on a stock you hate just to make a few extra bucks. That's how you get burned. Part 3. How to actually start. You need 3 things. First, you need stocks. 100 shares minimum of something stable. Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola. Boring dividend stocks are perfect for this. Second, you need a brokerage that offers options. Robinhood has it. Fidelity has it. TD Ameritrade has it. If you're already investing, you probably have access. Third, you need to understand the strike price and expiration date. The strike price is how high the stock can go before your shares get called away. The expiration date is how long the contract lasts. Start with 30 to 45 day expirations. It's safer, and you can adjust more frequently. Log into your broker. Find your stock. Click Sell Call option. Choose a strike price slightly above the current price. Pick your expiration date and execute. You'll get paid within 2 business days. That's it. Start small. Sell one contract on one stock. Get comfortable. Then scale it. This works in your regular brokerage account, your Roth IRA, your Fidelity account, everywhere. Final word. Covered calls aren't complicated. They're not risky if you do them on stocks you already love. They're literally free money that's been sitting in your portfolio waiting for you to claim it. If you've got money in the market just sitting there doing nothing but hoping for appreciation, you're leaving income on the table every single month. So if this video helped you understand how to actually generate income from your stocks, hit that subscribe button. We drop videos every week on strategies like this that actually move the needle on your wealth. What stock in your portfolio would you sell covered calls on first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.